Hello guys, welcome to Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In the Databricks tutorial, we are going to learn how to perform the sum in a Databricks. So here we have a table called orders, which contains the below columns order ID, customer ID, and so on. And from this table, right, we have created the data frame. The data frame name is orders.df. Now we are going to perform the summation on the amount column to calculate the total sales amount. Okay, here, right, we have to use AZZ. Inside that we have to pass sum function. In a sum function we have to call the variable which is amount or amount column. Then in the end we have to call dot show method. Since sum is a function, we have to import that from PySpark dot SQL dot functions. Just import sum function. Okay, that's it. Now let me execute this piece of code. So this is going to give us the total sales amount. Here, right, the non-meaningful name is created, so we have to use alias name dot alias. Here in a single quotes we can pass total sales amount as the column name. Okay, that's it. So it will just rename the column. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.